Sir, required ba na may prior basic piano skills na rin? Okay. So, hindi naman required na meron ka na. Ano? But, mas maganda kung marunong ka kahit paano. No? Kasi, yun nga, lahat ng mag-aaral ng music sa music school, kailangan marunong magpiano at a certain level. No? Kahit na, basic. No? Kasi I think sa UST noong time ko level 3 was the minimum. No, kailangan marunong ka mag-sonatina, ganyan. You can play Bach. Kasi pag hindi ka marunong magpiano, you'll miss out on a lot of things, especially kung string player ka, no, or woodwind player ka. Actually kahit anong instrument talaga kailangan mo yung piano kasi nakakatulong siya sa intonation, no? Kasi yung piano kung well maintained, no, or electric, ganyan, hindi na mawawala sa tono. So nakakatulong talaga siya. And actually yun, pag nagtuturo ka, 'di ba, kailangan masubaybayan mo yung students mo, ma-accompany mo kahit papano, no. So yung basic piano skills required talaga yan, no? Kung gusto mo mas mabilis yung maging minor mo, for example violin ka, no, tapos gusto mo tapusin agad yung minor mo, mag-lesson ka na before, no? So yun nga yung sinasabi ko, you have to prepare yourself for the things na gagawin mo sa loob. I think a lot of people kasi find it that tsaka na lang ako mag-aaral pag pag papasok na ako sa conservatory. May mga ganung mindset. Pero if you think about it that way, bakit ka pa nag-aral ng math nung high school para makapag-engineering ka, 'di ba? Nag-elective ka pa ng trigonometry or ng statistics kasi papasok ka sa college as a math major. So, parang ganun din kasi when you enter college kasi, you're going into specialized education So, yun yung higher education kung tawagin natin, diba? So, dapat, at least kahit papano, meron kang idea of what you want to specialize in, diba? Hindi yun dun mo pa lang siya aaralin. Kaya yung iba tumatagal, no? Umaabot ng 7 years, ganyan, 8 years, yung iba 10 years, diba? Normal yun sa music school Pero, yeah, that's the point to. Kung gusto nyo pumasok ng music school, hindi dapat yung mindset natin, tsaka na ako mag-aaral kapag nakapasok na ako. No. Kasi ganun ba pag pag ang course mo is law, for example, 'di ba? 'Di ba may mga inaaral na tayo outside of the of law school, for example, or for med school na minamaster natin kasi gusto natin makapasok doon. So kung gusto natin maging well-equipped na music student, we have to make sure na makuha natin yung skills bago tayo pumasok. But again, it's not that big of a deal kasi, pero nasa sayo na yun, no? Kung papasok ka sa music school nang wala kang dala-dala, pangarap lang, medyo mahihirapan kang mag-adjust, no? It's one thing that could make or break your musical journey kasi akala mo ganun lang, madali lang, matututunan mo lahat. Akala kasi ng iba matututunan mo lahat sa school, pero in reality hindi, no? You have a limited amount of time inside school, inside the conservatory, kaya marami ka pa rin kailangang makuhang skills outside in the real world, or yun nga, bago ka pa pumasok, alamin mo na para at least meron kang konting idea kung paano ba tatakbo yung buhay mo bilang music student, di ba? And how you could integrate music into your daily life para hindi ka ma-culture shock. Kasi kala ng iba 1 hour or 2 hours of practice or rehearsals is nakakapagod na. Pero pag pumasok ka sa music school, 12 hours, 13 hours, no? Minsan talagang tulog lang ang pahinga, no? Dadating ka sa mga ganong point. Pero it's a fulfilling career path to take. And yun nga, marami namang opportunities outside. Pero piano skills is a basic requirement. Doesn't need to be flashy. Hindi mo naman kailangan maging sobrang galing. But you have to be adept or well equipped. Sana nakatulong to. Good luck.